Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Skewb. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to solve, well, not how to solve, about like Skewb notation. So, if you don't know how to solve any other type of like basic cube, like 3x3, 2x2, stuff like that, this will kind of get confusing, and so I suggest that you go learn how to solve one of those first before you learn how to solve a Skewb, because I'll just kind of skip ahead a little bit. So the first move on the cube is an R move. So an R move is just like that. Then there is a L L wide, and that goes like this. Whoa, not like that, like this. Then there's a U and a F. Then there's also R prime and LW prime. And there's also U prime and F prime. Okay, so that's all the notation for a Skewb. Okay, so now since my Skewb is all scrambled, now I get on to solving it. So, the first part is you want to go find whatever side that you want to solve on, whatever center. So, like white. So, we'll start in white because that's the most common. The next part is you need to line up all of the corners. These are centers and these are corners. It's only two parts of a cube. The centers can also move too, because if I do that, that center is right there now. If I do that, there's a green center right there, and I go back up, they're all switched around and stuff. So centers can change, unlike on a normal 3x3. And so, yeah, the first part is find the white center, or whatever center you want to solve on. Then find white corners. Like this is a white corner, that's a white corner, that's a white corner, and that's a white corner. Okay, so you want to find those, and then you want to line them up, and you can do that with basically just one move. So now that one's lined up, you also want to solve the edge like on a normal cube. So you can also like flip them around. So now red lined up. This part's pretty fast. It doesn't normally take that long. And now here's the thing is, so see you have three, but now there's one right here. So we have to use this algorithm to fix this corner. And the algorithm is we're going to use algorithm 1, which is F prime, L wide prime, F, L wide, and that will sorry, fix your corner. Okay, so there's another case that you can have, and you need to use algorithm 2, which is pretty easy. It's the same. It's almost basically the same. You do L wide prime, F prime, L wide, F, and that will fix. That will solve the top. And there's only two. There's only two steps, two cases, and now we can get on to the bottom layer. Okay, so now since you solve the white, like face layer thing, now you want to do the yellow side. Now, it doesn't matter what center is in there, what color, because it's supposed to be yellow, but the yellow's down here, and there's red up here because they can change. And so there's two cases there for the corners. There's one right here where you see two facing opposite, two corners opposite, facing on top, and then there's two facing in, like kind of towards you right now. If you hold like in the corner, and yeah, there's only one algorithm, and I'll show you the next case because this is like the long case, and then there's the shorter case. And so once I solve this case using that one algorithm, I just have to use the algorithm again on the next case. So if you have the other case, which is the headlights, kind of, there's two facing right here, and two right here. I'll show you that in just a second. So you hold it like this, with one facing you, and they're like that. And then you do this algorithm, which is pretty short. U prime, R, U, R prime. Now you get the like headlight thing I was talking about. So you have two right here, one right here, and another one over here. And you want to hold it like this, and then you just do that algorithm again. U prime, R, u, r prime. And yeah, so now, since you have, basically this will solve all the corners. Now you see the centers are all like mixed up. Here's the last algorithm, and it's a pretty long one, but it's pretty easy to remember because, well, I guess I should show you. So you use the algorithm that we just used, algorithm 3. You just do that. So you do that once, then you do just a y2 like that. Well, no, you hold it like this. You just do a y2, and then you just do the algorithm again. So I'll show you. So the next step is to get the yellow center in on the yellow side. To do that, you just do that algorithm. So u prime r u r prime y2 u prime r u r prime, and there you will solve this. And you might solve some other faces too. And basically you just keep on lining it up. So sorry I didn't explain that actually. You need to put it facing you, and then the thing that where you want to put it on top. Sorry about not telling you that. So like I have this red right here. I want to get it right there, and so I'm gonna swap them by using that algorithm. And we'll just do it again. U prime r u r prime y2 u prime. Sorry that messed up right there at in the middle of an algorithm. Sorry about that. But yeah, it did line it up. And now since you have, now we can just do that to the rest. So u prime r u r prime y2 u prime r. Okay, so yeah, I'm kind of sorry to just cut out right there. So yeah, the algorithm was finished and stuff. And yeah, so we can get on to the next part. So we'll just line up this green center right there using the same algorithm. So u prime r u r prime y2 u prime r u r prime, and there we go. Actually, the cube was actually solved. So yeah, so you can kind of just follow this tutorial. Like the end of it is kind of random. You don't know what's gonna happen. Sometimes it can be immediately solved. Sometimes it can take just like one try. Sometimes it can take like almost up to like 6 times. And so yeah, and yeah, I hope this video helped you to learn how to solve a Skewb. And I'll see you next time. Bye.